After taking the Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion series through its paces, it is quite clear that Corsair has pulled out all the stops for their keyboard. Despite its cut down size, this keyboard does not lack in highly sought after features. This includes genuine Cherry MX switches, double-shot PBT keycaps, and full RGB backlighting, to name a few. Corsair has also added dedicated media keys and a separate volume wheel. Two more features on this keyboard explain the Champion series moniker. The first is a tournament mode switch, which is a one-stop solution to simplifying your keyboard from macros or distracting backlights. This might be useful for those in competitive gaming situations, but can be handy for everyday users wanting a distraction-free mode. The second is Axon hyper-processing technology to increase the polling rate to 8000 Hz. Furthermore, the Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion series is built solidly with a sturdy body and no signs of flex. The backlighting is even and vibrant, letting its colors shine brightly through the clean leathers of the keycaps. The Cherry MX speed switches available with this keyboard feel consistent, light, and responsive. Finally, Corsair's IQ software does well in providing an adequate amount of customization while being easy to use. If there were any areas of improvement, I would have liked to see a wrist rest included out of the box. I also would want to see Corsair make saving profiles more obvious or visible to users in their utility. Even so, these items are really nitpicking an otherwise excellent keyboard. At the time of this review, the keyboard can be found for $140 US, which I believe is justified when you consider the features it brings and the quality that comes with it. As such, it truly is hard to find a better 10 keyless option than the Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion series.
The full review is linked in the video description below.